Hi, in this video we'll be looking at question number 28 from HSC Standard Maths 2020 exam. This question came from one of the most frequent topics of data and graphs and basic statistics. So let's open this question. This is one of the easier questions in terms of actually doing it. The harder part is just understanding and breaking it down into different pieces. So what you're given is this following data set. You're told that another value is added to this data set, which is x. And then you're told a few things about the new data set and then asks you to calculate the value of x. So you need to break it down into a few pieces. It's telling you that the difference between the means of the two data set is equal to 10 times the difference between the median of the two data sets. This is the most critical line in all of this question. So let's take it out and solve it. So what it's saying is that the mean of the two data set, that the difference between the means of the two data set. So forget the rest of the part. First, you need to understand what is the difference of the means of two data sets. You need to calculate that difference before even moving further what is happening there. Difference of the means of two data sets, right? So what is the mean of the first data set? Mean of first data set, this one, would be equal to 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus 10 plus 15 divided by 5. There are 5 values, right? So divide by 5. So that would come out to be 8. Mean of the second data set would be, let's call it 2, let's call it 1. Okay, again same process, 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus 10 plus 15 plus x divided by 6, because there are 6 observations now, right? So let's simplify it a bit. This would become 40 plus x divided by 6. Now you have calculated, now you've calculated the two means. What it's saying is the difference between the means of the two data sets. So what would be the difference of the means? Difference would be equal to 40 plus x over 6 minus 8. That's the difference of the two means. Now you've figured this equation, this part of the this sentence out basically. The next part is difference is equal to 10 times the difference between the median. Forget the 10 times. Think about difference between the medians of the two data sets. So figure out what are the medians of the two data sets first. Median 1 of the first data set would be the middle value, right? If there are 5 values, the middle value is this one. So because 2 values are here, then 2 values are here, that would be the median. Median of first data set is 9. Median of second data set is somewhere here. 3 values here, 3 values here. So it's in the middle of 9 and 10, which is 9.5. So we have figured out what is the difference of median. Difference of median is 9.5 minus 9 is equal to 0.5. Now we can actually talk about, put everything together. What it's saying is that the difference of the medians is 10 times. So 0.5 multiplied by 10 is equal to the difference of the means. So difference of the means is this, 40 plus x over 6 minus 8. Now you have an equation, and all you need to do is just basic algebra to solve it, which will give you x is equal to 38.